Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here you can see 2005 Toyota Prius, which came today by itself. It wasn't towed or anything, and I replaced that small 12-volt battery. Here you can see in the detail it's actually Toyota's original battery, right? And there was definitely a reason to replace it. It wasn't holding charge. Now, and I still want to show the owner, right, that is bad. Just, they are completely trusting us, right? So I will do the little test, how to test this battery out of the vehicle, because it's always the best when you have it on the bench, right, and it's out. You can use this wonderful little unit which you can buy on Amazon, right? I believe there's a great price for it, and that will confirm the day if I was right about the diagnosis, right? So it's very simple. You hook it to the plus and minus, right, and it starts communicating with it. You press OK, English, it's out of vehicle. Before charge, right? It came here, the car was charging it, but I'm not having it on the charger, so it's before charge. It's a regular flooded, and now you need to select the CCA, which is right here. It's a 325 amps, and I already did that, right, for you, so you are not waiting here and for me pushing buttons. So I will just push OK one more time, and that testing is always very short. It doesn't take much time, and we will get immediately results. And if you look on the display, state of health 0%, state of charge 0%, there is only 9.3 volts, right? Internal resistance is high, it's 34.30 milliohms, and the result, it's obvious. This tester tells you that it needs to be replaced. So it's just confirmation, and I film it for you and to show you one of the ways how you test your Toyota Prius battery. Well, thank you for watching today, and be subscribed. I have way more Toyota tech going your way soon. See you later, my friend.